friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to unbox the 6th edition of Box Fetish. So Box Fetish is a beauty subscription box and this is priced at rupees 599 and you get 5 to 6 products which are almost twice the cost of the box or even more. Let us see what I have received. So this is how the box comes in. This is the typical Box Fetish box and it is a very beautiful box. The logo is really very classy, and let me open all the products inside and then we will see the products quickly. So I have unwrapped everything here and the first thing to come out of it is this card which says that this time it is the 6th month and they are coming up with 6 full-size products in this box, guys, and this looks like an amazing collection this time. So let me just go ahead and show you the products. So before we move on to the products for the month of March 2018, let me show you the replacement which I received from Box Fetish, and this time the replacement I have received is absolutely intact and I am loving it. Last time, guys, I was a little disappointed because I got a palette which was broken and I was feeling very down after that. But yes, Box Fetish sent the replacement. Thank you, Box Fetish, for this. So the first product that I received in my Box Fetish for the month of March 2018 is a Maybelline New York Elixir Lip Colour, and guys, this is priced at rupees 1250. Oh my god, I'm so happy to get a Maybelline product in this box which is priced at just rupees 600, and I'm already getting a product which is twice its value, guys. So very quickly I'm going to open this for you and let me swatch it, guys. Just look at the color. It is such a beautiful color. It is a glossy lipstick. I think it's almost like a red lip gloss but highly pigmented, and I quite like it. I mean, I honestly always like Maybelline products. I mean, that's my favorite drugstore brand and this is something which I am loving. So happy to receive this. I think the shade is not mentioned anywhere. So I'm just hoping this is an original Maybelline, but nonetheless it appears good and I'm happy to get it. So this was my first product. The next thing that comes out is a HD Plus fragrance polish cleansing. It is an acetone free nail polish remover and it is a 50 ml bottle. I do like to get such products. They are very handy and these are really such useful products. I mean, they are useful on your day-to-day basis and I'm always happy when I get such products. They are handy and useful. The third product I have received is a 36 hours waterproof eyeliner pencil. So guys, I have received this pencil earlier in some of the boxes and this is quite a nice pencil. It works well. It has those felt tip ones which is easy to apply, and this lasts for quite some time. This is quite a nice product. I have used it and I like this, and this is priced at rupees 199. I forgot to mention the cost of the earlier one. The nail polish remover is for rupees 79. Oh, and then I have received another product which is Kylie Magic Thick Slim Waterproof Eye and Lip Liner. I think it's an eyeliner. Okay, this is how it looks. So it has a twister mechanism here, and the good part of it is it twists around in both the directions. So this is how it is. Let me swatch this also for you. So this is how the swatch it looks like, a nice product. So this time we have received 2 similar products actually from different brands, but yes, so we have 2 eyeliners now in my box and this one is priced at rupees 199 again. So both the eyeliners are long stay. The next product that I have received is a Monsub Deep Brightening and Whitening Beauty Facial Mask, and guys, I don't think I need to tell you anything about a Monsub mask. So this is a sheet mask. These masks are tried and tested. They work well. Of course, they work for a very short time, but yes, they are good masks and useful. So what they they claim is to make your skin white and bright, but I do not think it will whiten your skin, but definitely it can brighten your skin by moisturizing it, repairing the damage which is caused, and also creating an instant glow. So one sheet mask is definitely not going to change anything, guys. So none of the claims are true when you use it only for one time, but maybe regular use of it or a frequent use of it may create some changes. So this is the next product, and now we come to the last product. So the last product is a blackhead remover, I guess. Yes, it is a blackhead remover tool. It is a stainless steel tool, and this is worth ₹99. So guys, these are all the products that I received in my box fetish for the month of March 2018. They are 6 full size products, and honestly I think the Maybelline definitely is the star product. After the Maybelline has come in, I really do not know what to say about the others. The only thing that I wanted to comment was it would have been good had they included something instead of 2 eyeliners. It would have been good to receive maybe an lip pencil if at all they wanted to give a pencil product. But yes, no complaints, guys. In 600 rupees you are getting stuff worth almost 2000 rupees, and I think it's a good deal. So all Maybelline fans, you could head straight to Box Fetish this time, get a product worth 1250 in your 600 box, and you do not get choices in it. You are just asked if you want a light shade or a dark shade, and accordingly you will be given a shade based on the broader range. So with that, we've come to an end of the unboxing, and guys, if you did like this, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Do share some love. Look forward to hearing from you. Bye for now. Love you all.